We had a great idea to have some fun on Super Bowl Sunday. What are we doing? Well, Cody took a really awesome image. Wouldn't it be fun to take that image and make a contest out of trying to identify beers 1 through 9 in that picture? 9 Treehouse beers ranging all the way from pale yellow through to that lovely golden orange color that makes so many of our wonderful beers juicy. There's so much variety and vibrance to base malt characteristics that give character and intrigue to these different beers. You gotta make sure that you're subscribed. You gotta like this video, leave your guess down below. You have a second chance over at Treehouse Releases where we're gonna post that image once again and give you guys another chance to try to guess for a very special prize,
Very nice.
which we'll describe down below in the description. First person to guess will be the one and only winner, whether it's here or on Treehouse Releases Instagram. Make sure you check that out also. And I can't wait to see what you guys guess, and I certainly can't wait to see if somebody gets it. So have a great Sunday and good luck.